Today we are going to install a new WordPress site on my Bluehost account, and you're going to see how easy it is. Hello, this is Balázs from wpcookhouse.com. Please subscribe for more free WordPress, SEO and online marketing content. So this is my old personal website, a very basic HTML file basically, with a link to my other websites. And today we are going to install a new WordPress site, and this site is hosted on Bluehost, so you are going to learn how to install a WordPress website on Bluehost the easy way. It's basically just a few clicks. There are other ways to install WordPress websites, but this is the easiest way, and if you have a Bluehost account, a Bluehost hosting account, I recommend you to do this unless you have any specific reason to go the harder way, which I'm going to show in another video. So basically you can go here, install WordPress, but I prefer to click here. You have this WordPress tools option. Once you click there, usually you need to wait for a couple of minutes while Bluehost gathers all your data or your sites. Here we are. Obviously you click new install here, the left hand side, and basically you have a few options to fill out. First you select your domain. If you have more than one domains associated with your account, then you have to select which domain you want to use your WordPress installation on. You can choose either the www version or the not www version. It's up to you. I prefer the basic version without the www, but you can choose the other one. Generally you don't need the subfolders, only if you want to install your WordPress in a subfolder like example.com/WordPress folder / whatever. So leave this empty in 99% of the cases. You can give your site a title here, but you can just type in anything. I'm going to type in my name. It's basically a personal website, and my name is the site title. And you need to provide an admin username, a password, and an email. Obviously, I'm going to blur these out for security reasons here. When everything is done, you just click install WordPress, and it's basically that simple. So we click install WordPress, and of course Bluehost is going to work on your website, so this might take a few seconds or even a few minutes. Don't worry. I just got an email in the meantime from WordPress, from my website, that I have a new WordPress installation. I'm going to show you the email, so at least you know that something's happening. So it looks like everything is done. Here is gathering again the data for the updates already, so my site is hopefully up. First I need to remove my old HTML file, but you don't need to worry about that when you are installing a new WordPress file. And when I press F5, and I should see my new WordPress website loading in a couple of seconds. And here we go. This is your new WordPress site. Obviously you need to set it up. It took no more than like 90 seconds for the install and like 2 minutes for gathering your information and filling out everything. So basically in 4 or 5 minutes you can have your own WordPress website on Bluehost. You just click admin login, you type in your credentials that you've provided in the last step. Just click login. I'm going to save my password here in my browser. And here we go. You are in your WordPress dashboard. Basically, this is some kind of help that Bluehost installs on your WordPress site. Usually I like to turn these off. You can select business or personal and select your theme, but I just click I don't need help. because I want a clean WordPress install without all the Bluehost things. Go to plugins, installed plugins, and just turn off, deactivate Bluehost, deactivate Jetpack, OptiMonster. These are all Bluehost related plugins, which can be useful, but I like the clean WordPress installs. And now we have the clean install. If you check the site itself, it has this basic, I think this is the 2017 theme of WordPress. So let me show you how to change your actual theme in WordPress when you already installed your website. Maybe you want another one, maybe you have a nice WordPress theme in mind. You just go ahead and go to wordpress.org, type in wordpress.org. You have themes here. These are all free themes you can install on your website. I just want to try out this SEO Press theme. I don't know if it works or not. I've never used it before, so I'm going to copy this, go ahead and go over to my WordPress site, Appearance Themes, add new, and copy SEO Press here, and I can select my SEO Press theme now and click install. It takes about like 5 seconds, and you can go ahead and activate it because it's basically a very clean website, so nothing happens when you activate a new theme. And the theme is already activated. You're good to go. Just press F5 and here you go. But basically this is all you need when you have a Bluehost account to install a WordPress site. In less than 8 minutes you have your WordPress site, you have your preferred theme activated, and you can go ahead and use your nice new website. So I hope you found this video helpful. If so, give me a thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe to the WP Cookhouse channel not to miss any WordPress, SEO and online marketing videos. And of course, thank you for watching.